Hello and welcome back to Mad Science Garage. This is a pretty special episode for me at least, and it's right here. We finally got a shop. We do like welding and like fabrication, stuff like that, mechanic work, things like that, swaps, so for me a shop was like a huge deal. I've been searching for 2 years now, and I was finally able to snag a spot, and like there was like 3 other people in line like ready before this thing got posted, but I've been bugging the guy, so I finally got a shop. So now we have a dedicated place where we can work on the cars that we have. No complaints, no tickets from the city because we've got like 3 of them. No neighbors bitching, no having to borrow somebody's space. So whenever we want to work, we can work. So it's pretty exciting. Elias has been kind of MIA in a sense. He's been working, so it is what it is, My brother, Kim, he's been doing nursing school. He has clinicals, he has finals, so he's been super busy. I've been chugging away on like other cars, but no time to dedicate to YouTube. But now that I have a shop space that I can come to every single day, work on my projects, work on now customer cars so I can afford to keep this place, there's going to be some more content. So first, let me show you guys the shop. We might just make this one episode just as like a little special, but let's show you guys the shop and then we'll go from there. So, we'll just start with we got our workbench area, we got our little tool storage for like special tools and things like that. One toolbox, we got another toolbox right there. We got my big toolbox, that's for like fabrication stuff, clamps, things like that. I got my TIG welder set up, my MIG welder set up. We're still trying to get the 220 outlets. The 220s ran, we just need the outlets. Another workbench here. We got our tire rack that I had to cut in half because it didn't fit against this wall. We got this big old workbench that the previous renters left. I got my 2 tube benders. We actually have an office downstairs in this place, even though I'm not exactly gonna use it, but it's probably just gonna be fucking part storage. Don't read that. Ooh, damn, did I accidentally show that right there? I couldn't have. We got our compressors underneath the stairs. This is all storage. We got our tote boxes. We got our little turbo mounted here with a Christmas O. And then we have our nice office right here. We got a couple couches, a table, a heater, just drinks, tea. Gonna maybe put a fridge in here. I definitely want to set up maybe I'll even do it downstairs, like a table where I have my laptop, where I can charge all my batteries and stuff, away from all the dust and grime and metal shavings. So maybe the downstairs office will actually be like where I edit stuff. So obviously a bathroom, but it's a small shop, but it's perfect for starting out, and it'll give me the room to actually put out this content that I want to put out. It's just been really tough. So yeah, that's our shop space. Come every morning, make my tea, and just get to work, just pumping away. Next episode, I got something really fucking cool. I've been wanting it for a really long time. I finally found one that was affordable. Obviously, if it's affordable, it needs work, but it's affordable. It was affordable. Most of the parts were there, so I wasn't really missing anything. It's kind of out of the normal of what we do. We're used to, drift cars and off-roading and shit like that, but this is something I've always wanted to do, and I have a little bit of work experience doing it, so I was ready to take on that challenge. So it should be a fun car. I can't wait to show you guys. That'll probably be the next episode. We'll introduce the car in exactly the way I got it. Usually, like, we'll get the car and I'll like touch a couple things on it, but you guys won't like, know. But this isn't the exact way I got it, minus the fact that I took off the hood. So it'll be a fun one. So it's a short episode, I know. Just wanted to show you guys the shop, show you what we're doing now. I work at Tesla now. I don't know. My brother just did his finals. Hopefully he passed. Elias is working hard as fuck, so cheers to him. And yeah, we're in the shop, boys. We're in the shop, and we can finally work on some cars and not get bitched at. So that's probably the most exciting part. No bedtimes, guys. No bedtimes. Sorry, the camera died because I just started charging the batteries. As I was saying, what was I saying? I don't know what I was saying. But I'm excited to be back. Excited to be in the shop. Excited to give you guys a bunch of cool videos. I'm excited to start on this project that I've wanted for a very long time. Like I said, it's out of the norm, out of what you guys have seen us do. So just stay tuned. And I think you guys were like kind of still sticking in. Some of you are probably gone by now because we've just been super MIA. But now that we have a shop, now that I can get in the shop, we'll be back in full swing. And if they're not here, I'll bring you the content. Maybe some customers that come through the shop, if they're okay with it. I have a couple cool cars with a couple cool friends that I'm going to be working on. So like an LS E36, going to need a bunch of fabrications. My buddy's car, I did a roll cage for him and a couple other things. I have some metal bar stock that's going to be like for 318 Ti subframe reinforcement with dual mounting gears because they only have a single. So anyway, stay tuned. Thank you guys for still being here, whoever you guys are. Welcome back to Mad Science Garage. And we'll see you next week for this big behemoth, which we won't say what it is. Starts with a C. All right, boys. Well, it's been like a year since that like first half that you just fucking watched, and this is now gonna be the second half, and it's been like a year since then, but I found like a new spark and motivation, so I really want to start doing this again. But it has been a year, so the shop doesn't exactly look like it looked like when I did the first half. So let me show you guys what the shop actually looks like now. But I have a bunch of videos and that I took saved. I just never edited them to like put them out, but I have them saved, and we're going to start again. And I promise this time we're really going to try. But anyway, let me show you guys the shop, and we'll see. Well, the stairs are now on this side instead of that side, so that's fun. This deck was kind of built out, and now it's like part storage because we got like way too much shit going on. Show you guys some of the cars going on. It's a 75 BMW 2002. We got our buddy Jake Slides 240 for a tuber end. We got this fucking thing. I'll tell you more about this later. We got this. It's our buddy's E36. We did the whole build on it. Recently changed the door bar so it doesn't match the color of the page, but she's pretty titties. Good old LS Iron Block LS1. 2JZ for a customer. This is like, yeah, that's a thing. The workbench is still here. Half of it got cut. We got a lift. Still being used as fuck. Toolboxes, more storage. That got cut in half. Tire machine. Downstairs now. Downstairs is oh, sorry about that. Oh shit, this doesn't even focus, huh? Fuck. How do I fix that? Whatever, let me focus on something that's like this far. Anyway, sorry about that. So downstairs, we now have like a little plasma table, the dirt bike, sandblast cabinet. We keep the compressor in here. Bandsaw. This is the TIG welding kind of like workbench area. All my fab tools still in this thing. Got tires. Got a bunch of shit going on. Let's see. Parts. Office kind of the same, except there's like tables, and we got like a Fanatec set up like Sim. That's kind of the same. But yeah, I mean, so that's what's kind of gone on for the last like year of us not doing shit. And then yeah, I mean, that's basically it. And then here I am editing the video and watching it and thinking like, damn, these fools need a fucking update with like some maybe better audio. I don't know, however this is gonna turn out. So yeah, we're back on it, and we're gonna make it happen, boys. This is gonna be what's up with my new motivation. But yeah, shop's doing good. We're actually like, it's actually a shop, you know, not just for like personal cars. It's actually shop. So we'll see. We might incorporate some of like customer builds or customer projects into the channel if you guys want to see that, or we can just focus on our own shit. It's whatever you guys want. I don't really give a fuck. Honestly, I'm just gonna do whatever I want. So yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna edit this video and I'm gonna upload it, and then you guys are gonna see this and this and that, and then yeah. See you guys soon. What is this shitty ass outro we have? Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Yeah. Alright. Bye.